This is the restaurant. It is 450-seat, cafeteria style. The restaurant actually opens a half an hour before the store does. So at 9:30, you could come in and get a $1 or $2 breakfast. It's turkey, sausage, eggs, potatoes, and for the extra buck, you get the Swedish pancakes as well. And then by 11 o'clock, it's full-on meatballs all the time, every time.
We have the princess cake that is exclusive to IKEA. That's a marzipan cake with a raspberry fluffy filling inside it. We also have the almond cake, the dime cake. It is gluten-free and it has almond flour, so it's a little bit healthier for you there. It has a hazelnut chocolate spread all over top of it. That's pretty good. Also, the Cinnabons that we have on the line have cardamom in them, so they're pretty citrusy and they're a little bit healthier as well because they have a little bit less sugar.
In addition to the traditional Swedish meatballs, for which we are famous worldwide, we now also have chicken meatballs and veggie balls to give our customers more sustainable and other health options.